you need to make a commitment to yourself to eat earlier. You know, if I have a really big meal, or if I eat food now and I go to sleep, the quality of sleep is not as good as if I go sleep 2 hours, if I eat before 2 hours before sleep. Why? Because what happens is when your body is supposed to be resting, instead of resting, it's digesting food. So if I eat now and then I sleep in half an hour the body is supposed to be resting, but what's happened is that it's basically been digesting food. So after it stops digesting 2 hours later, that's when your body then goes into sleep mode. This is why I'm saying that it's not just about going to sleep early, but it's actually the secret to waking up early is actually eating earlier. So what you need to do, this is why I suggested to you last time, I said that if you can, you should actually eat at work. Like 5, 6, 7 o'clock, eat at work. And then when you come home, first of all, you're not going to have to cook or you're not going to have to do any food or eat or anything like that. And then secondly, when you do actually go to sleep, like the quality of your sleep will be much better. And I know this is the big change for you in terms of like, you know, you were eating at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night. So to eat like this is kind of like weird and it's very difficult and it's different. But at the same time, this is the kind of game-changing action that will make a big difference to your life. So you need to put the effort in if you want to achieve it. If you're saying, no, I don't mind if I pray Fajr late or if I don't wake up or if I do this, that, then okay, fine. Eat at midnight, do what you want, no problem. But you have to make a decision. You can't say, I want to eat at midnight, but then at the same time, I want to wake up for Fajr. Like, it's not going to work. So you need to decide, like, which one do I actually want to do? And then you have to take the action to do that. You can't do like want this but then not do the action for it and just hope that yes, you know, inshallah that will just happen by magic. Allah will help you, bro. There's no doubt Allah will help you, but you need to help yourself. And I think that's the key here. So what we're discussing now, like you're saying, okay, maybe I can eat at Maghrib, maybe I'll do this, maybe like you need to now do this. So I want you to now sit for 2-3 minutes here and just think, right, if I'm going to do this week, like I'm actually definitely going to do this, what do I need to do? For example, I might say, right, I need to message my friends and say, listen, guys, this week I'm going to be busy. I won't be able to eat with you guys. Okay. Secondly, I need to get my food ready for Maghrib time. So I need to do this. So I need to go shopping. Thirdly, I need to make sure I eat a big breakfast in the morning so that I don't get hungry till Maghrib time, this and that. So like sit down, think about all the things you need to do and then start working on it, because I believe that you are capable of doing this. I believe even though you've been eating food at 10 o'clock every night, I believe you can eat at Maghrib time and you can actually change. But you have to take the action to do that. And that's what I want you to focus on now, inshallah. Yeah.